Hello everyone, this is Supraza. I am currently working as a Salesforce developer at Magnity Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about approval processes for claims.
Let's see the technical part of approval process for claims. It starts with an Apex class where we try to invoke the approval process already we created in the org. And this is the global sharing class invoke approval process, which implements velocity open interface. We are using open interface method here because I'm trying to call this Apex class in an integration procedure. And here I wrote a try catch method to catch if there are any errors. And this is the main method that is submit for approval. And here we are passing two main parameters. They are claim ID and process name. Claim ID is nothing but the ID of the claim that claimant submitted, and process name is nothing but the approval process name that we created in the process automation in our org. And we are getting the user ID who is submitting this claim for approval. And here we are creating a request for approval of the claim. And these are the set comments, and we are passing the claim ID as set object ID here. And here we are specifying the process name. And here we are submitting here we are trying to invoke that approval process. We are getting the result of that approval process as output. And let me go to the Omni script. This is the Omni script, FNOL Omni script. Here I placed three integration procedures. Let's see the first one, legal approval process integration procedure. Here, if you see, I used a remote action to call the approval process, the Apex class we created, and we are passing the claim ID and also the process name, that is legal department claim approval. This is how we are calling an Apex class using remote action in the integration procedure, and we placed that integration procedure in the Omni script of the FNL flow. And whenever the claimant goes to the whole process of the FNL flow, at the end of the flow, these integration procedures will call the Apex class method, and the approval process will be invoked. And let's see the approval process that we are talking about. Here I'm not discussing about other two IPs that are police and medical, because the technical process is same with these three departments. So let me just go to the approval process. This is legal department approval process. Here we can see this was the name we are trying to pass in that Apex class, and this approval process is active. And there's the initial submission action. It's a field update. It's nothing but, if you remember in the functional part I showed you, when first the approval process is invoked, the legal department approval field claim record will be set to in progress. Here this is where we are trying to update that field using an initial submission field update action. And let me go back. Let me go back to the approval process, see any other field updates we are doing. There's another field update, that is final approval action. It is nothing but when approver approves the particular claim, we are saying that it should be saved as approved in the legal department approval field. It changes from in progress to approved. And final rejection actions, that is it will change the field from in progress to rejected. These are the field updates we are doing in the approval process. The same type of updates are done in other two approval process, that is police verification and medical verification objects. These three approval processes are wrote on three different objects, and there are these IPs. This is how we are invoking an approval using the Apex class, integration procedures, and approval process. This is how we are invoking the Apex class. We are invoking the approval process and updating the fields and saving those fields back to the claim record for easy understanding of what's the status of his claim for the claimant. This is the technical part of the approval process for claim. Thank you for listening to this session. Have a good day.